Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation coming direct to your ears. Now, can we talk about you getting back on track? Is it time to sharpen up those skills, or do you fancy a completely new career? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515 and we can book your free 30-minute call to address that situation. Or ldlcall.com. Book a slot, let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. You don't need a new year to make a change. All you need is a Monday. It's true that you do not need a new year to start something brand new. But you also don't just need a Monday either. Whatever you're chasing, just start today. Start planning your big plan, put your big plan in place, put your dreams started. And just look to get that big adventure started. Just think, a year from now, you could be thanking yourselves for one hell of a journey.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.